Hopeson for high GC News, Mema Obibia Kwaba. Ahadia latest and hot news enkwa enamede bremo. Enunti so we subscribe to channel dia bomodia say obe subscribe. Yobe ya say obe click the subscribe button na wabele notification we ansa video for be upload when the first person I want sa ebe kan sa video afi we na like video give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na we nyi bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana be mu ano afi yebura ye ensemo abeto yepono so ebusa for eye video bi trendy isusu say the president na Nana Akufo Addo ya rational identical hospital na bepim sabre ya me file sa report yi enyanya official letter from office of the president to confirm say enyenokra na say enyenokre na video no trendy ye pa out me say the president ni motorcade no eye cars aye di netini nyina wona nyina rush to eye hospital hodom no na manfo susu say the president na Nana Akufo Addo ya rational echo eye hospital na yenhwe eye video a trendy a amanfo ka ho nsem bebre yenkohwe eye video no yenhwe video no wanu su say eno na the president Nana Akufo Addo ya rational identical hospital yenhwe video no Yes, I'm share a video then also hold on. Yo 84 we na amanfo chere the president Nana Akufo Addo chere ya rational hospital video we trendy papa officially so one for krata bia meto abontin chere no kra na say enyenokre na yekuti report ya fa nsemo ya ababetudwa yekuti report momenti ensemo ekoso momenti
breaking news ya rashi president Nana Akufo Addo from Jubilee House to hospital eba ne say na denti ena omom pese yen Ghana fo ye bete se president Akufo Addo yare ama ya rush to hospital isan ferie enimguase ne Ghana fo ya no because omunim se de ekoso Ghana mprempren se yen Ghana fo ye tese president Akufo Addo yare ama ya rush to hospital ye de ya no bebo na wuto na Ghana fo ya no nso so de yenya de bo wa wuto se krim ene yesa na nado anwu a onche da nye ne ho nipa bio izan se omse so omunim wu a omohwe na ena ahunu bi penti na abo aserewa se odi ne ba ho agora na wayi na no ato nchen omohwe se de Asante Bediatuo yare baaye nanka omompese Ghana fo ye bete not because of say oye secretary to the president na Ghana sikane ye de hwe no na omonso so da na di ma Ghana fo nyina hu sa Asante Bediatuo yare na Ghana fo ye twen ya no si ni so bo na wuto ama hospital papa o dem wa America ha sika hodo oman no tua na still oda so da life support a ontimi ntia pa ene de ekoso wa Ghana mprempren ama NPP defeat ama NPP for na blasting another than Akufo Addo egu na nima ase na osanso be yare dia ene kurafo tam atojam ene Ghana for ya no ye de bebo na uto enti no omo nkan ma obi biara ente but me franka dane de wo de me a na wo de asem all the time me catch there was say me the world superpowers ene ye adwuma and every information biano ye de breme isan say 2024 elections na ye kono wo hwe enhyehyeye ya president Akufo Addo ene MPP mpanimfo bi mu digu na akwa mu na omo pese omu wi aba no mu na omu plug Ghana into chaos ema wiase nyina ebeboa say they will monitor President Akufo Addo, the Jubilee House and MPP mpanimfo bi say be Ghana yebenya yasomdwe inti ade bia ebesi wona na Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo and Jubilee House bia no ye ka kire me there are many information eno na ya na memfa ma abonten bi wo ho a ye block ye tu hu anamon de ese me deba na ya me deba abonten no enti nya abotre na memfa ensennu mu nkire mu nyina de koba ya President Akufo Addo yareye me rushe into hospital ene de keka ho na miwia makwa kopem nkoko nteni mi nkuru mankwan bi adi e wa America ha na afezo so unim second Ofori Atta Sammy wukune MPP fu bi mo omuntumi na omufie de na asie aha na ya friend say ko kurum no du ho a na obehu say owuo e de dombeko yes so obeka ya me ka kire wo say getting to the elections na MPP fu nyina nim say NPP are losing the elections enti omu use all means the means ni ye one say omu be train the IT personnel omu area elections that is the one aspect of it. Two, some be use military to intimidate the people na omu atwa abana gum, that is three. And three say omu be use money enti sika no de na the earliest stage say omu kwa campaign ombe cheche sika ombe cheche niema because omu nim say Ghana yen elections is about say obe share sika na ohwe omu ano omu di Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia campaign team na anima sika hodo ombe free President Akufo Addo hono from February this year up to date no na omu man the first hope no jai na de amane yemu hyehye no kura na ye say said the Ghana for asi aye word about say politicians omu abokro no yenchi wontum na Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo krono a wabo yenchi ntum na evidence wo ho se oye panyini tie na ne ye machine pram we had the NDC ura and very fortunately enough no eni NPP mpanimfo na nkasa bi mpu na aba abonten kire kwan a NPP fo afaso abokro no and NPP fo na nkasa I ready say krono bi akoso wo NPP aban mu bia no ombeboa yewura John Dramani Mahama amana ya chisa nkrofo ku enyina and Ghana fo nso so no area ta so say yewura John Dramani Mahama de MPP mpanimfo ho chewon odena na Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo ho che no ene NDC should forget any election in the country and for NDC to build strong NDC and maintain power no they will make sure the right thing is done enti na Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo hwe enada ne kwanya ya faso agisika free no Jubilee House ne sika was spende na election no mpo senka ye beluzu a enka enkoye poto sei na akwakoye poto sei no odwene ho a onte ase an kwanya nanka opeso ni isi be manipulate na kwanya Bawumia so ba abonten erahye ye be declare elections na hye se ade ne de agyegon and enya Bawumia pe no de ba ye no eye bibi ne pushi no yes I am telling you so obeka ya me ka kire mo Ghana for say yeto aba on Saturday by Sunday either say MPP for be ba abonten aba be declare say easy eye jai na yare ana say easy be declare and obi bia uti social media on Saturday yeto aba no 5 p.m. by 9 p.m. and I made the results no buy kwahwe me results I made the buy na de da ho the same thing 9 p.m. 2 hours now we had the results and I make catch say ye ne the world superpowers and a year juma go and check it me video me yeah me say Mahama is winning 56.4 something percent go and check it 2 hours after the elections now we had the results it me catch the world superpowers and say omon kanchire NDC for say by Sunday no na say NPP for ma abonten na electoral commission so emma abonten I Frank Adane will come out and declare the elections and that is it na de ose oye be mano. They should dare challenge me. And I'm a President Akufo Addo yare no. But I am praying President Akufo Addo will not die. Ontena se na nyankopon mano about 100 years emfanka na mfie ho. Na aduaba na odua no Ghana ha no ontwa bi na onhunu de odua ye no. Yet Ghana ha ya dada ya ho because of political parties. Me starte ya me kanokre on this platform. Ghana ni bi a otie me, just be fair to yourself. Na MPP fo bi mo di me frankadane atem se me say party. Ene monhwe MPP fo na omo ankasa di campaign mu na omo ye campaign no ene omo ankasa na omo reveal the truth. Kwanya MPP fo ankasa afaso ama MPP akọ opposition. Ene afi na monam wo ayisa MPP UK chairman. Wo Kennedy Agyapong ba UK. What don't say go say when you even £1 to support Kennedy Agyapong. What to come you ya mawantinum okunhu ntini obeje oka wonye ne nye na ochena Kennedy Agyapong cast ya hodo ne sika hodo o de ahwe party no ohun se waje Kennedy Agyapong kasa mo se Kennedy Agyapong onim kasa Kennedy Agyapong na o se party enne mo nso so amo kasa no nye party na mo se no enne so Owusu bempa wo se ya ma kwan yesalane o na wo 2 million supporters in Kumasi na nya wo na wo ne chama wontumi ejina ho sa Kimpaluta no ena ya ma kwan no Kimpaluta ya ma kwan ma wo sae ya ma kwan ma wankasa wo pese wo ka bibi wa Asante region wadamfo ne chama wontumi pani hwan pa bio na wo pe no ansa na watumi akasa in Asante region ansa na watumi nya platform in Asante region MPP for some who bread food ene e de yare e na ato President Akufo Addo so me catch them with the nature bribia me come me say the nature shall not forgive you politicians. And I always say this, upon sika hodo tumia hodo amowo, the nature shall not forgive you. And then look at President Akufo Addo today. I am praying say President Akufo Addo will not die. Na ontena se na onhunu se wunya tumia dwene nipa ho. Yes, se wunya tumia na wa dwene nipa ho. Ene electoral commission jen mensa he ye ka obi o ye Jezebel wudinia me say jen mensa me I don't fear her because niema jen mensa ye no se nye na ye block ya nkan this that they should forget it. They should forget it. They won't hear the ACC recently, yeah. God, they should forget it. Me say a day before the elections, I have the audios here. And I frame MPP IT for Nankasa ne frame. And I gave it to the world superpowers. And I am Kurami Yunupe. Omo IT engineers. They are in UK. Omo no mo hake electoral commission. Ama electoral commission jemensa antumi anya de obeye. Me say electoral commission ma me no ayi almost say just so use pen ni paper you are not no we nipa na MPP for far no free US ha no ye IT almost say din ye na ibia very fortunate sana minim no madam fu bia me kokohia no sana na dam for pa no twetwomtwo eno no me franka dade we de bi diagoro me say abofo a omudi machi Ghana fo mo bom paye mame no omo ankasa ne de nokore no breme se asem kura simpo na se nipa na amfa nokore na mreme ya unfortunately na nipa na asem no fa no ho no ida se ono ankasa na se na busuani enante ba me na so na ofa fon freme e mame nokore mensema me kan ye nyina wo se madi atroda. After John Dramani Mahama win, na Ghana for nyina were congratulating me. Obeka se me na ma win. Esan se ensema me kan ye no. Ni nyina ba mu pepe. Ebi kura se Frank political we baifo. Obi frɛ political wizard. Enne me wo ho. Ɛna me ma me ba ko bi frɛ me. Osi em se ohene bi and a journalist, journalist. Yes, a friend no asabre. Waki can send na and some walking and then the America in a pepe. And our friend me a catch them. I'm so me need rather. And I'm not in politics for wealth. I'm not in politics for mansions or luxurious. Many be there, but the media dear, minya. Me come in kokunte, na me ye me live soup, na me tom in kuruma, ma me diane a me pay na kokunte, any fufu. By half fufu no me have fufu no any Ghana fufu no difference kakra wom. By ha kokunte ne de any Ghana de no the same thing because me koton wa African market. Inti me ko Ghana na metoa me fufu no me kokunte so ba me ba America haide fufu no kokunte awurade nyame me di me nyame kokunte di kokunte yesen ma wie me ne obi ane asem aha di nokore na me ka kire wo oh but the president Akufo Addo ntumi na masesa millions of dollars trillions of dollars mo gigi 10% mo sika na mo tumi bebrebe nyina no ene mo ntumi na me nyare me yare bia kata na code na fever bi na beche me nyame adom me ma me ba ko wa America ha wa kire me aduru me ya na mato ba ko kra pode na no mpo de me say ayi me ya bidie ya Ghana fo ye bidie ya ye mui eno na me we eno ano no case close bidie he Ghana nyame acha ya ade o nyame acha ya ade papa he me se me ba America me rane ya ka bibi ya ye me era me papa me to say o ma mo de Ghana bidie ya yam bidie no e di free Ghana bae ena o de bi ma me kakra bi spoon kakra bi na me we na me num so gu so eno ano no be sin ne na me say we come de ko hospital na ka me bono nke enye kaketo America ha me insurance nke ka me bono enye kaketo but just bidie. That is Africa, Ghana for you. Upon all these riches, these opportunities. But look at how the leaders, Afaso, say Ghana. Look at President Akufo Addo. And I am telling the President Akufo Addo, say, he shouldn't be a mistake. Me catch say President Akufo Addo, we a mistake. Na when one crop for no a mistake, I may say, President Akufo Addo, dear Gaddafi, the Sani de Bayo. I am telling anybody, and we a military. Na ye somao se ko na kokun obi anako yeku ko ye basabasa me catch the intelligence you go Ghana ho no you don't know me I know. I am telling you asembe na maka amaditro me say military personnel obe yese obe destabilize Ghana no ye bekun opa take me everywhere me mfa ho President Akufo Addo so we ye wa adwen se mubema ya destabilize Ghana wone wo yire ne wo ma no ye beku omo se nkokofunu opa take me everywhere. I don't fear me minsuru bia o me say minsuru bia but opa President Akufo Addo on try on ne yire ne ma you see what will happen to them in Ghana there and no politician should dare try mo MPP fo atente hu tuatua moto na mo huru treja mu be huru treja huru treja Kennedy Agyapong ka kire mo sore akaka bensema mo ye no akaka bensema mo de ko Kennedy Agyapong so no era na man fa nkwa NDC fo so ene look at you today mo ho mobo mo ye kura 9 out of 7 out of 9 seat amunya ye mu euro ye ene Supreme Court akwashe kona ko euro bio and do you think that to go in favor of you? Do you think so? And I am assuring every Ghanaian, if we never crow, a battle be a better wa Ghana for a free and fair, Obian Koda, dear Wubetuo, nebeba, Obian to me, we are Ghana ho. Me say, if we never crow, Obian who bet me, we are Ghana ho bio. Opa, for me, the only thing and say, Bia, Mom prevent say, Yemfa, Yenka ballot papers, ni be mammy but the what ballot papers no man kasa Ghana for mato no and one here be kan amamo they say Nyankopon adom nkura nketenkete mienu investors no ne mawo nketenkete mienu omo ye IT engineers me say my country so the dakorokora no unlock Ghana your computers ye wa Ghana yina the Ghana how the whole Ghana be a computer to be here for just 24 hours and was a frank e pass Ghana be boka Pasa Ghana beboka, and he made the same say Russia for one of the countries in be, and I'm say omoye UK, a car mo boy, you know, na nye kaketwa, no say Ghana for ye beboka. What you Ghana for you should dare try. In Kamemana, you know, there's 24 hours in a while. Mamana just 1 hour. Ghana will be stand still. Me say sankwada na omugu nkwadan ketenkiti o IT engineer ketenkiti o me so mbetime ma Ghana ye stand still. Hey kura ye shegi I say electrical say dad I have finished them. We have finished electrical commission. That is a statement too. Now you can catch us say I have finished them would there will be you could be a man in control. Answer na you can be control say I have finished you no. Now why yo papa? I said dad I have finished them. Me na me patch or me release the electoral commission. Na wo electoral commission wo jemensa wo look at you. What my MPP for that dawe influence. So look at what you are doing. Oba wako sukua unimuma. Why do you allow yourself because of no kufi ne a dining hotel so yes mounty? You just what on Ghana ni menyam. You are Jezebel. But me I'm assuring every Ghanaian nothing will happen because the security now at Ghana the
kind of course and information I have about the new petrol. Now what's happening we into one catcher. So I'm Tróuble I want to catch it. I'm telling you. Me say the tweet where they say the Okabianka say from say me say a kakitu webi anka number 1 bon number 2 asu ka number 1 e bon number 2 asu so me ka sam chewa wuntie I told you to call your people to order. There go information na for call information identity na defeat ya aba na make a power no enyan chenyi hand completely na ensema APP and the power no chenyi hand. Oh man ka sam chewa me say I know one national executive. Empire won't bring you say on the 7th of January, your mama and take care of any. We have some we are. What about things of Mukruma? And the Bawumia so claims another man lose. Was it? Me say, MPP presidential candidate, a coalition will lose. On Peter Batten, a dear name for ye. He want to blame on someone. Yes. Now to tap, if you could phone a born another buga, and then Bawumia so a claiming teams a claim say. They don't have any substance. They don't have any locus to say that. It is our duty and responsibility to enlighten Ghanaians. My main can't say back control. Today I want to be factual. I want to be open. I want to be blunt and tell you the truth. Now the down call Akufo Addo happen. Bawumia also happen. Now do happen. And the Bawumia party chichimu. One. Now the down call Akufo Addo suppress the will of the people. No more Bawumia. Me cut us any promo to 37% mark Kennedy organic. Yeah. Apart from Bawumia, any people you vote to be any organic. But if you look at Bawumia, they suppress the will of the people because there's a hand of God need to be house we are APC. When you are Asante Bediatuo, Gabby more, and your friend is Ofori Atta, they are pushing in making sure that any power they want to control you. Now me can say me just go and do empirical research. There is no precedent. The chairman and vice president, about 98% of them they go to election, they lose. In America, Kamala Harris. They lose. When do you they just ended one? They lose. Reason in say you are part and parcel of the vehicle. What a car numbi. Everyone I made no be a driver. One of them taking concrete decisions in the car. This a car now copy my didn't say the car. There be young for car. Two fellow look straight into the eyes of Bawumia and told him so will be 2 for 1 for. How 2 for so are they? Or catch us in 2 for. Catch now say, Kwaya won't call for na first of all. It will bring confusion and chaos in the party. What you say? Now the down call do say sometimes we might have issues with him. But Akufo Addo catch a Bawumia call for and say, hey, they are then a kick on. And now Kojo Kyeremanteng out of bitterness, out of privilege, what free MPP do. It is extremely difficult for us to get him. Let's embrace his people. We should go after them. And talk to them and bring them back so they'll come back into your party. Yes. What say? You can never downplay or downsize Kennedy Agyapong. Kennedy for no money, brain almost someone troubling in and they are not happy. No, Bawumia for they should go after them. Do you know the kind of answer Bawumia for them? And I don't go for that. Also to hell with your advice. We don't care. We can win the elections without Ken and then we will Afenyo Kojo Kyeremanteng. I'm telling you. Now the way co-position, you want to bring Ken and President Akufo Addo. The kind of course and information I have about the new petrol. Now what's happening? We need to run a catcher. So I'm going to Tróuble. I want to catch it. I'm telling you. The Okabianka said Frank could say. Me say a car kit will be anchor number 1 and bond number 2. Number 1 and bond number 2. I said, me cast some to a won't. Me cast some to a won't. I told you to call your people to order. I know one national executive. Empire won't win. And say on the 7th of January, your mama and take care of me. When you're somewhere, what about things? I want to come to build the media platform. Now they fighting. Me cast some to and I'm not cancel. When I was working in Russia, MPP for Ninkaye. You don't joke with that outfit. That media stage, you don't joke with it. Even if you have a problem with Kennedy Agyapong, MPP for no doma communication answer. Me catch was a 2 things. Either send the person who said the work communication so this answer, or is a person prepared to learn the 2 things. What is coming out? The MPP they are not ready to learn. That's why I told you say 2028 still they can't win power. And if you have a ship which is made up of wise captains and shape a term shape and captains tell us MPP form. I just look at them then I laugh. I mean can't say back control. I want to be factual, I want to be open, I want to be blunt and tell you the truth. Now the down Akufo Addo happy. Bawumia also happy. One, the down Akufo Addo suppress the will of the people. No more Bawumia. Me catch us any promo to 37% mark Kennedy in organic. But if you look at Bawumia, they suppress the will of the people because there's a hand of God in Jubilee House. We are pushing. When you are Asante Bediatuo, Gabby, and your friend is Ofori Atta, they are pushing. In making sure that any power they want to control. If you look at another down Akufo Addo, that be a MPP party. Shabless. Good party. But MP some of the intensive care unit. Oxygen is your muscle. A party be gumbe division beba. Just make a maybe a party in Akwaku. You see people springing up. It will more than the Arab Spring, whereby people be coming out visible, making serious damning statement that will affect the new patriotic party. Out of the 32 years of the NPP in the Fourth Republic, he has led the party for half 16 years. I'm saying 16 years. 16 years now. True NPP members are running away. Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng and Akufo Addo were done 2 times. Hopeson Adorye, a former senior administrator of the party, and not into we done Sadiq Boniface, who was likely to be the running mate for another down Akufo Addo, we done it. And then more information will be there. More information. And no business nine. Shaibu, I don't know what is happening. As a people have, can I say they have developed faith and confidence within us, especially MPP paying for, not just MPP, say lightweight, NPP paying for. They are part of cabinet. They are big men in government. Now the way they call me, the way they try to express their issues to me, now it gives me a certain kind of realization. Truth always stands. Sure. The truth is a bitter pill. And the business started so carbonica. Oh yeah. And meaning says yes. Second, ministers, MMDs. I'm telling you. I must say there was a finger of your God. A hand of God. Hand of God. Almost I didn't name second. Yes, the hand of God. Number suppressing here. And free none at job back. The kind of course and information I have about the new petrol. Now what's happening to run a catcher? So I'm going to Tróuble, I want a catcher. I'm telling you. Me say the feet where they say the Okabianka say Frank could say. Me say a car kit will be anchor number 1 and bond number 2 soon. Can number 1 and bond number 2 soon. So me cast some to a won't here. Me cast some to a won't here. I told you to call your people to order. Their whole information. Now, some information. I didn't know defeat here. Abba. Now, I make a power no any change hand completely. Now, and some APP and the power change hand. Oh, man, cast some to me say. I know one national executive. Empire won't win. And say on the 7th of January, your mama and take care of me. We are so we are. What about things of Mukruma? Shabu, me say, then be a make some trust and Kofona Kwakwa or Messiaba. And the MPP deep fit was it a blessing in disguise? Messing and some people when I mean say MPP for. Because Franco, I information go on the phone so Franco. Na metia samna wonim obi be a friend I Duke Ofori Atta. I you oh, and you corner. Now, person be the MP. Yes, it can offer it. Martin Visa. Otherwise,
yes, and the yere a 14. Now, the union yakutwa a contest what Pandu he lost a primaries, no.
Lukuno yere yakutwa Obana Bema
Oba.
Okay.
And he lost the seat at the primaries. Anna Franco. And as a regional minister, I found Nabonabo. And a near ma or fellow, Mrs. Duke Ofori Atta Settle. And a contest a Pandu seat in Owusu. That alleged formation. Owusu, and a regional minister because of the connection with that Ofori Atta family. What fun. And I can say, move the parliamentary candidate in Pandu constituency. Now, on the day of elections, information I have about Franco, time, Papa, was say, you go from Go TV. Omusika, ne was echo, 176,000 Ghana cedis. No cra, Masama Bonidin. And your Franco sharp shooters. Omusika ne else ko 8,800 Ghana cedis. Yes, Eshema Amnubutum. And a campaign team 30,000 Eshema Amnubutum. And operations including feeding, security, etc. 542,800 Egumame Butum. And a Go TV coordinator allowance 1,000 constituency bia. And the sharpshooters coordinator 1,000 cities. Former constituency executives almost starting 8,000. And communication 8,000. And polling stations allowances 193,200. And constituency executives and also 80,000. And extra as electoral area coordinator 18,000. Yes, Mamma. And they can't be too much. The less information is an opano or ye cuckoo and then breakfast at the command polling station for a party general. And you are lunch a coy and you were or the supper so my. But they see my minister can I if you could talk to I like it and Nipana. But the information, mamma, many and Kofu Biakasa. Now, MPP parliamentary candidate for Pandu, Mrs. Oklo Abena Antoinette.
That is MPP for you. If it is true, I'm basing my emphasis on if it is true.
There are alleged information for Franco. Obabesia, Sisi Abena, now, regional minister, I'm going to way and how that's loose bar. You want to blame it on Obi.
Regional minister, regional minister, or Western region, could be mentioned said the the driver team could galamsey sika di gane. And I have it. No could galamsey for sika. No gane. Why? Because MPP for no do bona team one day. We do not kick one always. They want to make people say we are mon crack to hey KB akwaji we bia me ko fa we bia sa no man no pay. They don't want to resource people. They be me can samba ko kire say nipa no to me resource na you take a burden from you. Ochani panel samba also hieska. MPP from kwa no bit me tranka be 4 months. Oh anu afọ so from kuma bakuma say I want information on 190 be 2 hours or kono ma 200 Ghana.
From almost actually
party forward the mama buy the donate money.
Me say party for them.
I support us. Look at how people are sacrificed for the party. Then we are catch us a politics about selfish interest. The reason why people join political parties, they say, we are there, a political party never wabai. And the dear bidding or the dear biba, as a political party for Niabi.
But Franco, I want the party. Because Sika yet be issued on election day. I can win the power, keeping 4 years. And I say, oh, or more scale be doing some. Or more committee says, can be doing some. Mr. Donna, Yankee, no more trouble. Your trouble really. So I was on TV. A boy, I do bear 9:30, close to 11. And I mean, say my friend MPP because I wanted some information. My friend, we do a minute time and moves from now shall boy was Jack Manda. What's why then? Only power you be an influencer when MPP Masa. And the guy said something to me. That is why I got to believe a small car was say.
they make a media budget in Ashanti region for a number of 5 months. Jack, Ashanti region, but better than doing this here media for them to come and help us. Scan could do Kwabrane or Nipana for scanning this canoe. One could be said they can win without the media.
And now, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia post to you was said, and some job for this for a hijack a popular media platforms.
What is he trying to say? Mammy Castle show. And I want to tell you something, Shabla. Politics on. Sometimes I might not be in the good terms with you, but I should even come to your show and talk. One, you look at the platform, you look at the control, the masses, I don't know my way. I want to ask you a very simple question. When was the last time you heard the running mate or the vice presidential candidate for the NPP or Fair Ashanti Media Caucus even discuss something with them? NDC comes to Ashanti region. That's what make it see. NDC on Ashanti region. Or invasion, Kumasi invasion. I'm saying this on authority. No one of my Kwame Tanko, so Kwame Tanko, Menembrana, media. And I'm Kata Tanko say media. Me Kata Tanko say about the political show. People want to listen to us. And the Yanko Yajuma. That's what make us. And yes, I'm impaying this for us. But I was also looking at a different picture. Say, sure, nothing has started. So we cannot leave it there. One, the end is in the Ashanti region. Also, Ashanti region is strong word. It's trying to recognize people and says, this is a media platform. I have to go to them. A do baby, Uben on one casa, and this is for no. I come on what we do. Massa, we invite you, Mamma, Casa. What a tune very man. Kofi Adams no aba, Ejenim Boateng no aba, Erika J no aba, Sammy Gyamfi no aba. They all avail themselves from mobile platforms on the kasa. Anafi. So be a cassette me convincing Nipa 2 krana. Nipa 2 no comments also convince another people to go and vote for the NDC. Yeah, my main cancer. If you look at the MPP in Ashanti region, especially Guame, and then MPP for the year media na too extraordinary for the media to preach the agenda for them. I'm asking you, who is senior journalist? Apart from saying you have a panic, you have a lot of influence and connections. Who starting a media money? I'm asking you. Again, the MPP for this is a significant project, so you have to help the MPP, especially to execute the breaking the 8.
Chama to come to build the media platform. Now they fighting against the media platform.
And I'm cancer. And then, when I was working with Asha, and I'm mere production, it will be by NPP big man. In Paris status or Casa, when you come over, so you come over, so you or born in HMC and commercial break, and I'm the trader to say commercial break. Oh, yeah, I was a friend, could I say, Dark I said, I'm saying, Dabby, very much so, fetch me. Now, I won't be a friend, see, I didn't tell my Balame Casano, or not, as a friend of my Besha make us. We can't your castle. I have to end the show abruptly and allow the person to go. MPP vote Ninkaye. You don't joke with that outfit. That media stage, you don't joke with it. Even if you have a problem with Kennedy Agyapong, even if you have a problem with Kennedy Agyapong, say they are Kennedy when we are going for the election, we can't send their hammer. But Sabra Sisi. When NPP was in opposition, the only media outlet who was able to preach the agenda, preach the gospel of the NPP was Ashefe in Asante region. One thing was extremely tough. Now, to me, what was to me? But want to me by your original chairman. And ya Kakadi could be a media outlet. A do baby, no more for Ashefe.
Other media platform quite a SEO.
Now, say, Ashefe from Kubunku to Jokra bomb pie chain and go position position. Yeah. Because public forum, people's forum, when Norma asked them for years, I show commitment and dedication to the new patriotic party. Is it the kind of reward? Now, Kadia Kwan FSA, more bang, must add a big master's, a big degree. It will be a shame, baby, most women won't 2 times and 3 times in Frank just defend the MP. And frankly, means I don't feel so much in their, I guess, a projected party towards a wrong me. Wound to me. They do wound to me now, campus a permanent lesson. Because I wound to me, good wound to me, all trans and Nema, wound to me, or Asante Bediatuo, or the Angel, yes, a businessman, or so party, or a lot of media platforms. Now we're ungrateful. Now, my name is Wasem. This is almost MPP for collection. I'm a easy fan. They be good. When NPP was in opposition, and they needed money to do campaign. And your angel money more pick up some muska. Some money na mo fan koye. But this same party comes to power, omo fight angel. Omo kase there be oya Asante Samdodo and a young girl no or no one Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng. So we will fight against this lady. We will suppress the mass. Na juma na wo ye no, you don't make sure say obenya issue.
MPP akọ contest Owusu. They want to put the blame on someone. So who tie won to me media platform? Obi o won to me bia o tie to be MPP ni. Oboko to na ba. But instead of some other neutral stations no, na manya floating voters no. Na chama won to me kwa fees on media platform no. E bit ma ye bibia. How can you hear Captain Smart? You may not like him. But Ofori win election. Me hu ade bi Captain Smart Nkwan the only presenter. Otimi so 20k live. I get what you 20k live. You are fighting him.
Me, I have one thing in my mind.
Yeah.
Though people know me to be maybe an NPP person, but me, I don't subscribe. Talking at MPP station. I don't know why. So me back MPP station na me kasa. Host na woto no. Obeja sake kan kwase asembi a person oka.
Nako.
It's not based on facts. Once I'm now only prima facie case. You are just making comments. Only locus in our casa. When it is a neutral station, it pushes you and urges you to learn.
Yeah.
See, Kwana Okono Kwakushia NDC, Okwakushia CP, Okwakushia PNC. Hosuna Okwakushia, so intellectual and elite. Oh, my own cast and found. So the person will push you to go and learn. To me, I have always in my life never been happy to a biased station. Say one day, you know, MPP no NDC. The new patriotic party, they have failed to identify their problems and still offering solutions might also be a problem for them. They not beside me say MPP for no do not come to base answer. Me catch was two things. Either say the person who said the work come so this answer, or is a person prepared to learn two things.
Yeah.
Two things. Per what is coming out, the MPP they are not ready to learn. That is why I told you say 2028 still they can't win power. They are starting battle. They are not ready to. And if you have a ship which is made up of wise captains and ship a term them.
Ship recon.
And one captains no. A term them.
We see a far.
It is a warrior. Obano say be an aniswa we so Jimmy for the dinner for you to make sure thank you. Shala Sisi, MPP form, I just look at them, then I laugh. Oh, La Sisi, they are not serious. I'm telling you as a brother.
Now, Frank, I didn't MPP, the Assembly Committee. MPP Parliament presidential candidate, and Lufu elections are on person that transfer access the other. When a man lose here, Kufo the man another lose here, and the Bawumia so claims another man lose here. Was it? I say, MPP presidential candidate. Election Owusu on people that he want to blame on someone.
Yes.
Now to tap if you could phone a born another buga and then Bawumia so claiming teams they claim say they
don't have any substance. They don't have any locus to say that. They don't have any locus to say that. Shabla Sisi, it is our duty and responsibility to enlighten Ghanaians. My main cancer back control. Today I want to be factual. I want to be open, I want to be blunt and tell you the truth. Now the down call Akufo Addo happen, but me also happen.
Now do happen, and the Bawumia happen chichimu.
One. Now the down call Akufo Addo suppress the will of the people. No more Bawumia. Me cut us any promo 37% mark Kennedy organic.
Yeah.
Apart from Bawumia, any party on your vote to be any organic. But if you look at Bawumia, they suppress the will of the people because there's a hand of God in Jubilee House we are a pushy. When you Asante Bediatuo Gabby more, and your friend is Ofori Atta, they are pushing in making sure that any power they want to control him. Now, me can say me just go and do empirical research. There is no precedent. The chairman and vice president. About 98% of them they go to election they lose.
In America, Kamala Harris.
They lose. When do you
they just ended one?
They lose. Reason in say you are part and parcel of the vehicle. What can be? Every I made no be a driver. One am taking concrete decisions in the car. It is a car now. Copy my didn't say the car. There be young for car. That is how it is. Now, if you look at another done with this is credit. Not we will not just me too. We co-driver. Oh, maybe. If If you look at another than Akufo Addo, that be a meka wo MPP party no.
Wagunu.
Shabless.
Wabonto.
Wagu party no. But MP some the intensive care unit. Oxygen si omoso. Akasa party ni be gumbe che division beba. Just want make a be a party ni akwa do no. You see people springing up. It will more than the Arab Spring. Whereby people be coming out visible, making serious damning statement that will affect the new patriotic party.
You Asante Castle.
I say you
watching you other.
Eugene the question. Me, I know what I'm Eugene don't carry. Eugene the elementary stages. Eugene won't carry primary won't carry.
Boakye Agyarko Katara.
So on carry. Then be a cite example now say. I do my lead party for 3 years. Yeah. Young son will be more party. Jacob led the party for 12 years. Or one among the true NDP came to the MPP. That be army was not an example. Francis says, Major College Kashigamo, Pakwasi Indu, Freddie Blamo, no money MPP for. They came to the MPP. Under another down Akufo is the only person out of the 32 years of the NPP in the Fourth Republic. He has led the party for 16 years. Shall we say 16 years? 16 years now. True NPP members are running away. Mujano. Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng and Akufo were done 2 times. We've done it 2 times. Hopeson Adorye, a former senior administrator of the party, no into Wegane. Sadiq Boniface, who was likely to be the running mate for another Danko Akufo Addo,
communication director.
So look at the names. I'm not saying yes. Sammy Kennedy. When you true in Kofa party, no, they are with the party.
And Bonnie, not so. Or Kakano Babe coordinator or so other condition or
Mammy Council show. Open party back home in Kaya MPP. Go and ask how La Bianca died. Okay, La Bianca.
Yeah, La Bianca fools.
Go and ask how.
And a camera.
Me say go and ask how La Bianca. Or fast so Simon,
and as a former Royal Bank, we are also.
You are Kikabi.
Royal Bank,
if you look at Akufo Addo, Mahamadu Bawumia wasn't the preferred candidate. My name is Wasem. All factors of Mijina Sosa Bawumia family president in Yano. Mijina in 2020, it affected him in 2024. One, also Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia is coming from the Islam community.
Yeah.
He's a Muslim. And to do elections now. Ghana, about 14% of us are Muslim.
17.
Oh, they are 17. Yeah. Let's make it say 14% qualifies for Tróuble. That 14% will vote for Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. I didn't hear. Yes, he is a Muslim.
Yeah.
Go and do your checks. Mahamadu Bawumia lost a lot in the Zongo communities. You know, I'm going to say,
yeah, Tizongo ministry, man.
I Tizongo ministry every year. Every year. Mahamadu Bawumia to do did Tróuble before. Also, I be seeing model school video.
Yeah.
I could see. I'm going to say,
West Arabia can ever see University Hospital. We are see 42 SHS.
Me say, I could see.
For a dam that could book.
I want that be an Muslim. And I can't hear so free stream. Yes, he's going to wrestle power with John Dramani Mama. If you go to
neutral and Mahama,
thank you. Now, if you go to all these kind of northern regions, only one region will be to your Mama, the home region.
And the corner is also.
I said, Ben,
134.
But be your Mama Bunny Chim.
87,000.
But be a Mama Bunny Bian or Bunny Chim or Bono. The Bianame car say, which I was saying. And your Mama is setting the tempo and the pace. Emma MPP for the Chekui Bawumia Montiasi. Now, Frank Ono be Kobobo. No, not yourself for keeper with them. And now, Gabby. For keeper with them. And I'm a kind of Montimas. Your Mama is a communicator. And he was very smart. And look, put MPP to a tight corner. Hey, and go forward. I'm the Bawumia me bono. So how to play safe? And I'll say, I'm the Bawumia donkey work in a year. Oh, my Bawumia may have the flag of MPP. What can I say? Boy, I cannot bring a crew. Try. Yet the Bawumia, in the eyes of the NPP, Bawumia was more popular. In the eyes of the Ghanaians, not Bawumia or unpopular. Now, Saibu, and you was a baby Bawumia free the northern part. Yet me can't polling station on your zip.
No, Mama, 1,000.
Hey!
MPP and party agents, no more.
Are you not surprised?
You're waiting for winning and someone about beto. Yep, no so a video a trendy. I want to say the president and Akufo Addo ya rational at the Neko hospital at the home sem enamidi atuja. Mekau says so we don't subscribe to channel idea Bomodia say over subscribe. Sanse Hadia later than hot news kwa enamidi bremo. we are now for like video, give us a thumbs up now for share my wo for so now when you be here now we and somewhere so e wo Ghana memoir also betimi otchere wadwen afaye and some way nyina ho e wo comment box mu wati binkabio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.